Good morning. You might have memorized the values for trigonometric ratios of specific angles now. Let us recap once again. Sin 30 equals half. It is equals to sin cos 60, right? Sin 60 equals root 3 by 2. It is equals to cos 30 root 3 by 2. It's enough if you remember the values for only sin. The cos values you can get by sin values if you memorize, if you work hard little bit. It is sin 45 and cos 45 are same, 1 by square root of 2, and tan is the ratio of sin and cos, it is 1. Now you have to remember tan 30. Tan 30 is, how to remember tan 30, value of tan 30? Tan 3 1. Tan 30 equals 1 by root 3. It is tan 60 is the reciprocal of tan 30. Now we will find out two more the values for two more angles, that is 0 degree and 90 degree. Let me name the triangle first. Let me name the vertices A, B, C. This triangle ABC is right angle at angle B. In triangle in right angle triangle ABC. Now we don't know the measure of angle A. When we don't know the measure, let it be x, let it be. Otherwise no need to measure any value. We will not specify any value. When angle A will become 0, we have to find out the trigonometric ratios for 0 degree now. Now when A will become 0, when the point C move towards B, when point C is very much close to B, measure of angle A will become 0 because AC will almost overlap AB. And when in triangle ABC, let me write, when point C move towards B and when it is almost close to B, what will happen we will see. AC will become AB, right? Angle A will tend to 0 degree, right? And BC the measure of what will happen to the measure of BC? It will become 0. Now you know the two sides now. Let us find out trigonometric ratios now. Sine. The first ratio is sine 0. I need not write the formula once again and again. It is opposite side. When angle A becomes 0, then opposite side will become BC. BC will also become 0, right? 0 by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse AC will become AB. Now 0 by any value is 0. So sine of 0 degree is 0. Let us write cos. Let us find out cos 0. What is the value of cos 0 degree? Cos 0 degree, the formula is adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side here? AB. AB is adjacent side and hypotenuse also AB. When A becomes 0, the hypotenuse will become equals to AB. Now AB by AB is 1. The value of cos 0 degree is 1. Now we will find out tan 0 degree. What is the formula to find out tan 0 degree? It is TOA, opposite side, by adjacent side. Which is the opposite side? BC. BC is the opposite side. It is 0. It will become 0 when angle A will become 0. BC will become 0. 0 by adjacent. Adjacent is AB. Once again 0 by any value is 0. So we got the three values now. Three ratios now. Let us find out. Let us write the values for cosec 0. Cosec 0 is, what do you mean by cosec 0? It is 1 by sin 0, right? 1 by sin 0 is 1 by sin 0 is sin 0 degree is 0. It is not defined. We cannot define any value division by 0 is not defined. So cosec 0 is not defined till now. Now what is the value for, we will find out what is the value for secant 0. Secant 0 degree is equals to 1 by cos 0. That is 1 by 1 is 1. Straight away I'll write the value. Let us find out the value of tan 0 degree. Tan 0 degree equals, no, it is cot 0, it is cot 0 degree equals 1 by tan 0 degree. It is 1 by tan 0 degree, again not defined. 1 by 0 tan 0 degree is 0. It is not defined. So, we got all 6 trigonometric ratios for 0 degree angle. Now let us find out the trigonometric ratios for 90 degree angle. Let me name the triangle first. Let me name the triangle A, B, C. Now our concerned angle is A. The triangle is right angle at B. In right angle triangle ABC, when angle A becomes 90, now A will move, when A will move to B, right? A should move to B. Then what happens to the value of AC? It will become AC equals BC, right? Now when A will move to B, when A is almost close to B, AB will become 0, right? What will happen to AC? AC will become BC, right? We have written. Now what do we want now? What will happen to AB? AB is equals to 0. Okay, enough. We will write the trigonometric ratios now. Sin 90 degree equals opposite side. Which is opposite side now? BC, right? AC will become BC. Opposite side BC will become AC. So BC by BC, AC is equals to 1. Now let us write the value for cos 90. Cos 90 equals adjacent side is AB. AB will become 0. 0 by BC, it is hypotenuse will become BC. It is 0. Now let me write tan 90. Let me write tan 90. Tan 90 equals opposite side by adjacent side. How much is opposite side? It is opposite side is BC, but AB is 0. So now we cannot define not defined. Yeah, you can find out the cosecant 90 now. It's 1, and once again secant 90 is not defined because 1 by 0 is not defined. You can find out, please find out for cot 90. Cot 90 is opposite side. What is the formula for cot 90? It is adjacent side by opposite side, right? Now adjacent side is 0. 0 by opposite side BC is 0. Cot 90 is 0. We will solve the sum now. Yeah, all the values now it should be in your fingertips. Now tan A plus B equals root 3. What do you mean by this? When you will get, for which value you will get, for which angle you will get the value as root 3. Now we will write, I'll write the values for tan 30 first. We will remember tan 3 1 by root 3, right? Tan 60 equals it is root 3. Once you know the values, it's very easy to solve the sum. Tan AB, tan A plus B, what do you mean by this? A plus B equals root 3. Yeah, root 3. For tan 60 it is root 3. A plus B equals 60 degree it should be. Now tan A minus B equals 1 by root 3. Yeah. For which angle it is, the value is 1 by 3. It's very clear. A minus B is 30. Let us name the statements as 1 and 2. Now we have to find out, to find out the unknown quantity in algebra. To find out the values of A and B, we have to find out the values for A and B. Right. Add 1 and 2. Add statements 1 and 2. You will get 2A equals 90 degree. Yeah. How much is A? It is 45 degree. It is 45 degree. How much is B? How do you get? Substitute the value of 45 in any sentences, any statements. Let me substitute here. First statement, 45 plus 15. It is 15 degree, or 90 minus 45 is 15. Yeah, you got the answer. Now we will solve the next sum. If cos theta equals 0, cos theta equals 0, find the value of 2 sin theta. When you will get cos theta equals 0, for which angle you have to think? For which angle you will get 0 value? Cos 90 equals 0, right? So theta equals 90 degree. So we have to find out 2 sin theta. That means 2 into sin theta, sin 90. 2 sin theta means it is 2 sin 90. It is equals to 2 into sin 90 is 1. It is 2 into 1, it is 2. So you learned all the values for angles 0, 30, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree now. Memorize the values and solve the sums easily. Thank you.